water is pumped into a tank at a rate of R of t equals 25 times 1 minus e to the negative 0.12 t gallons per minute. Neat. T is the number of minutes since the pump was turned on. If the tank contained 1,000 gallons of water when the pump was turned on, how much water to the nearest gallon is in the tank after 10 minutes? So this is what we're going to do. We're given the rate, all right? The rate's not going to give us the amount of water after 10 minutes, but the integral of the rate is going to give us the amount of water after 10 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to run to our calculator and find out what that's going to be. And we're literally going to let our calculator do all the work. Once we find out that number, we add to the fact that we already have 1,000 gallons in the tank waiting for us. Add those numbers up, see what happens. So let's run to our calculator, let their calculator do all the work and take it from there. Okay, so let's let our calculator do all the work. So we care about doing stuff to the nearest gallon, which is going to make our life easier. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to run to y equals and then type in that integral that we had. 25 times parentheses 1 minus e to the is second ln e to the negative 0.12t. So negative 0.12, and then x is going to be our t. Let's move to the right. Let's close the parentheses, hit graph. Now we care about the integral between 1 and 10. So let's actually do that. We can integrate on here and find, using our lower limits and our upper limits, the actual answer. So second, calc, the integral is 7. So hit 7 or go down. The lower limit, we're just going to type out 0 and hit enter because we're given that exactly. The upper limit is going to be 10, so we're going to type out 10 and enter on that. And it's going to give us 104.415 blah, 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 blah. We care about the nearest gallon, so 104 gallons. So what I said on the previous thing is that we're going to take our 104, add it to the fact that we already have 1,000 gallons waiting for us, and I don't really need a calculator for that even though I did it. We end up with 1,104, so let's go back and write that out. All right, so this guy ended up being 104 point something, so 104 after it's rounded, plus 1,000 is 1,104, which is going to be B, baby. Fun stuff.